Now I would like to call Godrej Properties Limited, Godrej Nature Plus Gurugram, New Delhi to receive this National Safety Award. Please give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Godrej Properties Limited, Godrej Nature Plus Gurugram, New Delhi. Please give a big round of applause. Many congratulations to Godrej Properties Limited, Godrej Nature Plus, Gurugram, New Delhi. 11th edition of Global Safety Summit.
For us, all of you are winners because everyone is embarked on this journey.
Definitely from here, we will start achieving what we are discussing.